In 2025, over 5.3 billion people are active on social media, and that's about 64% of the entire world population. That means billions of real people are scrolling on social media every day. Now, here is the shift. Social media used to be just social, where people post pictures, memes, and checking in with friends. But today, it is a place where people discover, connect, learn, and make decisions. Now, as a smart real estate agent who wants to make a lot of money this year, these are reasons why you should not joke with your social media platforms. Number one is that it will help you to reach bigger audience. Millions of people are scrolling on social media every day, and so is your client also scrolling on social media looking for homes to buy. So if you use social media well, they will get connected to you. Then number two is that you get to build trust faster using social media platform. When you post your content and people see that you genuinely want to help them and you educate them and you promote your properties over there, they get to connect with you and trust you so quick that they start buying from you. And finally, is that with social media, you generate real leads faster. As you are promoting yourself on social media, clients begin to book appointments with you, they get to message you, and they get to buy from you. So if you are still scrolling on social media or treating it as a social platform as it is, then this year you need to take it as a work tool and then get to grow your personal brand. So if you're still scrolling on social media as a realtor or you're still posting randomly on social media, then this year you need to make a switch. Start creating quality videos and posting on your social media platform, and then get to build your brand, connect with clients, and close more deals. So if you are looking for how you are going to get started with creating social media content this year as a real estate agent, you can reach out to us on the number showing on your screen and we'll get you started. We are broadly global, located here in the city of Enugu. We are dedicated to helping young and smart individuals who are looking to build their personal economy using real estate to grow. So reach out to us today and we'll get you started. See you in the next one.